It was a warm, sunny day in the animal village. Birds chirped in the trees, and a group of animals gathered around the lion, their leader, who stood on a tree stump. Lion roared, "Friends, the annual feast is tomorrow. Everyone must bring their best food to share." The crowd erupted with excitement. Monkey chattered about bringing bananas, Parrot squawked about bringing exotic berries, and Kangaroo proudly declared, "I'll bring the biggest watermelon anyone has ever seen." Everyone cheered, except for Squirrel, who whispered to Raccoon, "Do you think Kangaroo can manage without a disaster?" They both giggled because Kangaroo was famous for her clumsy adventures. The next morning, Kangaroo set off to Farmer Duck's field to find the perfect watermelon. She bounced along the dirt road, humming a cheerful tune, her pouch empty and ready for the big fruit. At the field, she gasped, there it was, the biggest watermelon she had ever seen. Kangaroo hopped over excitedly and grabbed it, but it was so heavy she wobbled left and right. "I've got this," she said to herself, not noticing that her tail had bumped into a row of carrots, sending them flying. As she hopped back toward the village, balancing the enormous watermelon, she tripped over a molehill. The watermelon slipped from her grip, rolled down a hill, and splashed right into the river. "Oh no!" Kangaroo exclaimed, chasing after it. Kangaroo called out for help, and soon, her friends arrived. "Don't worry," said Elephant. "We'll get it back." Elephant used her trunk to lift the watermelon, but she accidentally sprayed water everywhere. Monkey tried swinging down from a tree to grab it but fell in with a big splash. "Let's work together," said Parrot. Everyone agreed. Turtle swam to guide the watermelon, Raccoon held onto it tightly, and Kangaroo helped push it to the shore. Finally, with everyone's effort, the watermelon was safe again. Back in the village, the animals gathered around the feast table. There were piles of delicious fruits, nuts, and berries. Kangaroo brought the giant watermelon, now cleaned and ready, and placed it at the center of the table. "Wow," said Squirrel, "you actually did it." The animals cheered, and Lion declared, "Let the feast begin." Everyone laughed, ate, and enjoyed the feast, with Kangaroo feeling proud despite her earlier troubles. Moral of the story: teamwork, focus, and perseverance can help overcome challenges, even in the funniest and most unexpected situations.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.